Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another vlog. So today is weekend, it's Saturday. So I'm going to show you all what I do during my weekends. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Now the time is 10 o'clock. As this is a weekend, I woke up really late. The first thing in the morning, I usually drink cumin water. I've been drinking this water since 2 weeks because it actually helps to lose weight and also helps with other problems related to gas and acidity, and it's really helping me a lot. So try it if you want. Just heat the water and then add few cumin seeds and mix it well and leave it for like 2 minutes and then drink. And for my breakfast today, it's avocado toast. Guys, I used to hate avocado before, but prepare avocado toast like I did right now, you're gonna love it. So basically you need to cut avocado into 2 halves and smash it really well and add a pinch of salt, just to give that flavor. You can add a lot of veggies and also pepper, but I wanna eat it as raw as possible, so I'm only adding like pinch of salt and mixing really well. Now toast your bread and spread avocado on your toast. One more important thing, guys, please do not skip breakfast. After coming to abroad, many international students usually skip breakfast. Even I did that, and I faced a lot of problems. So you don't do that and suffer like me. You can prepare a simple breakfast like this. There you go, avocado toast is ready. Thank me later. So that's my breakfast: cumin water, avocado toast, few almonds and walnuts. I'm watching Malvika Sitlani and enjoying my breakfast. Oh well, after my breakfast, now it's tea time, and it's my favorite part of the weekend because I only drink tea during weekends, that too only on Saturday, because I don't like to have much sugar during weekdays. So yeah, I'm gonna show you all how I make tea. I'm not an expert, guys, but I'll show you how I make. Basically take a glass of water and then add 1.5 spoons of tea powder. This is for one person, so I'm adding 1.5 spoon. Let the tea powder boil for some time. The tea powder which I use is 3 roses. This is really nice, guys, and this is natural care. This is the first time I'm using this. This actually includes ginger, cardamom and all those things. That's why I'm not adding anything extra. Otherwise I add ginger and cardamom. I use semi-skimmed milk, guys. Now take a cup of milk, or take how many cups you want, and keep it aside. After 5 minutes in low flame, it looks like this. At this stage, add sufficient sugar and add milk. Mix it really well and let it boil for like 10 minutes. Let it overflow like this for like 6 times and then off the stove. So whenever it's overflowing, either lift it up or blow some air. And filter it with a strainer and fill it in a cup. There you go, tea is ready. So now I thought I'll change my nail polish. So this is cotton pads from Miniso. I bought it when I'm coming to Edinburgh, and it's still there. This is a small manicure kit from Viga, and a lot of nail polishes. These are half of the amount, guys, because I lost a lot of them while coming to Edinburgh during security check, as I mentioned in my first video. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this nail polish today. It looks good. Now I'm going outside to pick up my lunch. As this is a weekend, I don't really want to cook today. I don't usually eat outside every weekend, but today, I don't like to cook. So yeah, I'm going to a really nice place in Edinburgh to pick up my food. I'm going to show you all. Let's go. So this is the place I'm talking about, guys. Pepe's Peri-Peri. The food here tastes amazing, guys. I usually order lemon and herb hot chicken rice here. It is very affordable and very delicious as well. It also gives you, very Indian taste. If you're in Edinburgh and if you're looking for a place to eat, this is your place, guys. So the lockdown is still there in Edinburgh, so there's only takeaway available. I just ordered and they gave me this buzzer. It usually rings when the order is ready, as you all know. Yay, my order is ready. I'm going to pick it up. So I'm back home. I should also tell about this sauce, guys. It's Nando's Peri-Peri. You usually get it in any supermarket like Sainsbury, Aldi, anywhere. It tastes delicious, guys. Trust me and try it. So right now we are going to Otter Seat. I'm gonna post Otter Seat vlog in my next video. So after coming from Otter Seat, I freshened up and started preparing dinner. So these are frozen parathas, guys. This tastes really nice. You just have to place paratha on a heated pan and remove it after it turns like this. It tastes yummy. Please try it. I bought it from Krishna Foods. So yeah. So for my dinner, I made one lacha paratha along with curd. I really like this combination. And also I made semia today. I'm going to share that recipe in my Hungry Thursdays series, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please like and share. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more videos. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram.